Support for the Arkansas PBS Writers Contest is provided by the June Hoes Williams Endowment.
Hi everyone, today we're celebrating our Arkansas PBS Writers Contest winners. With us today we have a first place winner from the first grade, the great Abigail Wharton, with the book she wrote and illustrated called The Playful Pony and the Swimming Swordfish. Abigail is 6 years old and she really loves animals, especially horses and ponies. Isn't that right, Lucky Charm? Now introducing the great Abigail Wharton.
My name's Abigail Wharton, and this is my book, The Playful Pony and the Swimming Swordfish, written by Abigail Wharton. There was a pretty pony with white fur and a black mane named Summer. She and her pony friends decided to take a trip to the Atlantic Ocean. Summer drove the truck with her human named Lydia in the front, and her pony friends in the trailer behind them. The ponies went scuba diving and met a swordfish and became friends. His name was Pokey. Pokey visited the beach with the ponies, and they poured water on Pokey to keep him safe. They built sand castles, dug for treasure, and shells with his long bill. They also played with seagulls and crabs. The animals heard their moms calling them home, so they split up and went home, but always remained friends. They proved that anyone can become friends, though they are different. The end.
Hello.
Hello.
I absolutely love your story.
Thank you.
I think all the animals also love your story as well, don't you think?
Yeah.
Have you ever ridden a pony before?
Yes. So at my grandparents' house, there's this horse that's called Gunsmoke, and he's my horse, and he looks so much like Summer.
Wow, that's really cool. When you first rode a horse, were you afraid at all?
I mean, a little bit.
But now you're really comfortable around horses and
Yeah.
everything, right? Wow, that's awesome. So you must be pretty brave.
Yes.
What I liked about your story is that Summer and Pokey were very different, but they were still really good friends.
Yeah.
That's so awesome. Do you have friends who are very different?
I have a friend named Parker, and he's a boy, and he's in first grade just like me.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Really cool. Well, would you like to go and meet some of the ponies?
Sure.
Awesome, let's go do that.
Okay.
Might have to help me out with Lucky Charms over here. Awesome. Are you ready? Good job, Lucky Charms. Good job.
I've never rode a pony before.
Yeah? What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.